So today I'm going to do a dewy makeup look. So let's start how I'm going to create this makeup look. So first of all, I'm going to apply moisturizer. So here I'm using the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer, which is one of my favorite moisturizer, and moisturizer is a very important thing for your skin. So for the primer, I'm going to apply this aloe vera gel. I like it personally for my base preparation. So after the primer, I'm going to apply foundation. So here I'm using foundation from Maybelline. This is in ivory shade, which suits my shade of skin. So I'm using it, and you can choose your shades. So I'm going to apply on all over my skin in this dipping, and now I'm going to blend this with this beauty blender. And I'm not even satisfied with this beauty blender, then I'm going to use blending brush also. So and you have to blend it how much you can blend, it looks perfect, that much it looks perfect. So you have to blend. I'm going to apply concealer after the foundation. So here I'm using this concealer, which is also from Maybelline. So I'm going to apply at on my skin where is the dark spots and acne mark all over my face. Where is it? So, and I'm going to blend it with my fingers. You can blend it with fingers, so it's blend very good. That is why I'm going to blend, and then after I'm going to blend it with brush also. So now I'm going to apply some loose powder on my face because I don't have this idea before. So I learned this thing from somewhere. So I'm going to use this tips in my video. So I'm going to apply this loose powder for setting up concealer, and it's really perfect. So now it's time to contouring. So here I'm using this Sugar palette contouring. So this is my all-time favorite, and I have only one. This contour this is from Sugar, and so here I am going to cut my skin, some at my forehead, some at my nose and my cheekbones, and this is done. And you can see here, after the contouring, the face structure has been changed and it looks more perfect than before. So it's done. Now here my favorite part, this is blush. So here I'm using this blush, which is from Lakme, and this is peach and pink shade mix. So I'm taking a dip from both of them, and then I'm going to apply on my face. And blush is my favorite makeup part. It gives you a natural look to your face. So you are not going to do anything for makeup, but you can apply only some CC cream, and blush is perfect. So this is done. Now it's time to eyeshadow. So here I'm using Maybelline eyeshadow palette, which is in shade nude, smoky nude. So I'm going to so first of all I'm going to define my eyebrows. So for eyebrows also I'm using this eyeshadow palette. So I have just taken brown shade and I'm going to define with this brush which is for my eyebrows, and then I'm going to apply eyeshadows. So here I'm going to take some pink glittery shade, and first of all I'm going to apply in corner little bit brown shade, and then after I'm going to all over the eyelid I'm going to apply pink glittery shade. So I'm not perfect in eye makeup, so just I'm doing it. Here I'm going to apply this lipstick eyeliner which I learned from Jyoti Sethi's video. So I'm going to apply it with this very thin brush. So you can apply it like eyeliner, how you can apply it. So this is it. I'm going to apply. It's stick on my eyelid, but after applying it looks amazing. You can see here. So it's done, and now mascara is also defining your eye, so apply it. This is very important. And then after mascara, I always carrying with mascara. So mascara is done. So mascara is also from Maybelline, and now I'm going to apply a lipstick which is from Lakme Absolute Myth Nude shade. So I'm going to apply it, and so after the mascara I'm going to apply highlighter, and the highlighter is everything in Dewy makeup look. So I'm going to highlight my all over my face. So first of all I'm going to apply on my nose bridge, and then cheekbone, and then my chin on, and then my forehead, and everywhere I'm going to apply the lots of highlighter. And this is the perfect dewy look, and I hope you're gonna like it. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button also. And thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.